Well, welcome back to Sanity Brief. The barbarians are at the gate. How secure is your internet connection? Can you categorically guarantee that there aren't any Trojan horses floating around in your email? You know, there are several law firms right now who are in court because somebody hacked into their email and planted a Trojan horse and stole client information from tens of thousands of clients. Can you afford that? No, of course you can't. So what can you do to protect yourself? Well, first of all, if you get an email from somewhere and it doesn't feel right, look right, smell right, sound right, call the sender. That's one thing they can't falsify. Even and phishing, if you know what phishing is, has gotten so sophisticated that a lot of times if you get an email from a bank or you get an email from somebody you think is your client and it just isn't, is off, call them. Make sure that that's what they want. Make sure that's who it is. Secondly, you need to turn on your multifactor authentication modes. Make sure that your site is secure and that you're talking to who you should be talking to. Make them verify themselves. And this is something that's not that difficult to set up. But if they're trying to get into your information, they better have a couple of layers of security. And finally, encrypt your data. This is something that lawyers don't automatically think about. But if you don't have your data encrypted, if you have your client files digitized and they're somewhere that somebody can access, you are at risk. So please encrypt all your data. So even if they do hack in, they won't be able to use it. So keep coming back and get more tips on how to be a better lawyer.
Protect your clients. Protect your practice. Follow Sanity Brief for more practical strategies every lawyer should know.